In this video, we're going to discuss about the application which we are going to build throughout this course. So this is the UI of that application, and right now it just has only UI and there is no security implemented and everything, all the data is hard-coded. There is no backend associated and there is no database associated right now for this application. Don't worry if you're not comfortable about the UI part, considering that this application has been developed using Angular. I'll be also sharing this UI code through a GitHub link. You can always download from GitHub and only concentrate on the backend security code that we are going to build throughout this course. So this is an application related to bank, and the reason why we choose the banking domain is considering that security is most important for any banking application. So if you see, the very first landing page that the customer of a bank will be shown is a login page. The user once enters the email and password associated to his or her account, we should be authenticate and authorize the user using a backend service leveraging the Spring Security Framework. Once the user is logged in and authorized, we should show the user dashboard where he has various sections about his account details and balance associated with his account, what are the transactions that he has performed in the past few days, loans associated, and cards that he has associated with that bank. So all these four sections like account, balance, loans, cards has to be secured because these are the REST web service or any backend services which the UI will call by passing on the authentication details. So we should make sure all these four REST services has to be secured at any point of time, and the user should be able to access this dashboard page only once he authorize and authenticate himself. And at the same time, we have free form of pages like contact us where the bank want anyone to access this page. There is no security restriction this, because obviously in a case where a non-customer of the bank or any public person want to contact the bank, this page will allow them without entering his credentials. That's where we have to make sure we build a backend service accepting the request from this page without any security details associated to it. And at the same time, we have a notices page where bank regularly publishes about their important announcements to their customers, public, everyone. So that's where obviously this page also has to be free from any kind of security, and all these notices has to come from a backend table. So we'll also build a notices service which is doesn't require any security and anyone can access. So on a high level, I'm assuming you understand there is a login page and contact us and notices page which are anyone can access without entering their credentials. And at the same time, once the user is logged in, we should be able to navigate to dashboard where he or she can again call more services associated to the account, balance, loans, cards. And whenever the user want to click log out, he can always press this log out link and go back to the login page. This is what we are going to build on a high level, and if you see there is no security associated to it, we will focus right now in the coming videos on the back end, how to build the REST services associated for all these pages, how to protect few of them, and how to make them available for anyone. So we'll do all such configurations on the back end. So for now, take this an input as a requirement for our project that we are going to build. We'll come to the UI part again once we build all the backend required for this UI. I hope that makes sense to you. Thank you and catch you in the next video. Bye.